meteorologist Mark Mulner. I want to thank you for joining me for this edition of Weather Northeastern. We're going to take a look through the next 5 days of weather, especially with the storm that's occurring over the area of across the northern tier of country, the Great Lakes into the northeast part of the Mid-Atlantic for your Tuesday, late Monday night, Tuesday night with some major ice accumulations, also some snowfall accumulations on the moderate side in some areas, and we look for that low forming on later Wednesday into Thursday off the Carolina coast. That could spell some snow, especially for portions of the North Carolina area and Virginia area. So let's get right into it here. Taking a look at the Monday night into Tuesday night time frame. This is where snow begins to develop across the northeast here, mid-Atlantic, quickly changing to sleet and freezing rain across portions of Pennsylvania, where we could have significant ice totals, which I'll go through in the next couple of frames here. But nevertheless, this is the pattern set up. Cold high to the northeast. We got plenty of cold air. We got warm air overriding it. Significant snowfall totals across portions of upstate New York. Significant icing, especially across a lot of Pennsylvania. So let's get right into it here. Taking a look at the pattern here for late Wednesday into Thursday, especially across portions of western North Carolina, western Virginia, the higher elevations, especially if the low gets cranking much sooner here off of North Carolina, we could see significant snowfall totals in the 2 to as much as 6 inches, locally higher amounts possible. John from Islip, New York, he did have snow last week, right around the 20th. Thanks for sending that photo in. Taking a look at the rainfall totals and liquid equivalent across North America, take a look back east here. This is where you have that big storm system. Also looking at a major storm out west into California. Here's the pattern that's going to be very stubborn the next several days. Back east, look at that. Plenty of chances for phasing along the both jet streams coming together. Taking a look at snowfall across the northeast, this is where we're going to see varying amounts. Most of Pennsylvania will see mostly in the form of ice. It'll cut down on snowfall totals 1 to 2 inches, but look at up towards, you get into the southern tier of New York around Binghamton, Elmira, about anywhere from like around 3 inches. Then you get up towards the New York State Thruway, just east of Syracuse, right around just west of Albany. This is where we're going to get the 6 to as much as 7 inches of snow likely. Taking a look at ice totals across Pennsylvania into southern tier of New York. Take a look at this down towards Johnstown, Altoona area, southward along Somerset County. These are the areas that could see significant 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice, especially Monday night into early Tuesday. Taking a look at Monday night as the storm moves in across Pennsylvania, starts to snow, maybe an inch or two, but quickly changes to sleet and freezing rain, especially Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, just south of Erie, just around and south of State College. Taking a look at your Tuesday, getting quite messy across the northeast, places like Scranton, Binghamton picking up 3 inches before changing over to sleet and freezing rain around noon. Accumulations up to 1/4 inch of ice and about 1/10 to 1/4 inch in widespread areas. We're going to have to watch for slippery travel. Tuesday night, the precipitation continues mostly in the form of freezing drizzle around Binghamton on southward across Pennsylvania. Further north, like Syracuse and Albany, New York State Thruway into western New England, stays snow, with a couple more inches likely. For your Wednesday across the northeast, front continues to stall out weekend as the low pulls away. We got some residual flurries, some snow showers, and maybe some rain showers across southern New England, but that's about it. Taking a look at my extended outlook for my hometown viewers, Binghamton to Scranton, upper Susquehanna region of upstate New York and northeast Pennsylvania. Monday night, we're pretty much ahead of the storm at this point, but Tuesday, right around 9 a.m., 8 to 9 a.m., closer to 7 a.m. in Scranton. Snow moves in, accumulates about 2 to 3 inches by noon, switching over to sleet and freezing rain by noon. Accumulations up to 1/10 to just under 1/4 inch of ice by Tuesday night. This will make travel very slippery, especially for the evening commute on Tuesday afternoon and evening. And then look at that, Wednesday, Thursday, we pretty much dry it out with a few residual flurries or snow showers. I want to thank you for joining me for this edition of Weather Northeastern. As always, don't forget to like me on Facebook, Media Mark, Weather Northeastern, and Hurricane Northeastern. Also, subscribe me on YouTube, Media Mark, MediaMark.com. And don't forget to subscribe as well as hit that like button if you like the video, and leave a comment or question down in the comment sections if you do desire. Also, MediaMark.com, WeatherNortheastern.com. As always, thank you for joining me. Also, Twitter, WX Northeastern.